Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can remove Powered by Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Shopify. Make sure that your account is logged in. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now head over to the Online Store tab and click on the three dots menu. Select Edit Code from the drop-down and the Editor tab will open. Search for footer in the left side menu and click on the code. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and search for Powered. Then delete this piece here to remove the tag. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.